Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're opening a Diner Series 3. Hopefully this is a new one. Let's see what clue number 1 is. Ooh, we have 2 containers, so this is new. I haven't seen this one yet. I did a couple of these recipes, these 2. Then they released the rest of them. Oh, I did do the cake too. So it looks like we have the lime jelly cups right in the center there. That'll be fun. I haven't done that one. Also in here we have, that's a huge bottle. Squishy Squish Jelly Co. it says. Of course it comes with a table, some coasters, whipped cream. These are cute. They open up top and there's little tiny whipped creams in there. And one stuck in the lid apparently. And lastly, lime slices. I guess technically there's one more bag. I was about to say, where are the tweezers? Tweezers and spoons. Possibly just one spoon. I'll have to dig through there to see. Here are the instructions. Gonna fill it about halfway, maybe a little bit more. Then we're gonna cure it. Then add more resin, and that's when you decorate it with the whipped cream and the limes. That way they don't sink to the bottom and they kind of stay at the top. So pretty easy. I don't think I'm gonna add a spoon to mine, and they did only give 1 spoon. I did confirm that. But if you're ever not sure, you can check on the instructions and it'll show you what's supposed to come with it. So, step 1, go like that. I'll be back to cure it. So I don't remember there being air bubbles in here. I can't really say that I looked too carefully, but both of them got pretty big air bubbles on the side when I put them outside. And they kind of dip down in that area too. Oh well, I guess. Hopefully we'll be able to cover it from the top. You won't be able to see it, but you will probably from the side. So I'm going to add resin to both cups. This is a very easy build. It reminds me of making like the sodas. There's not really much to it. And it also seems like they're leaning. I don't know if it's the table. That's kind of annoying. I'm gonna put just a tiny bit right there. And then for each I'm going to put 1 whipped cream, hopefully that doesn't sink too much. And I love these lime slices, they're so cute. Should probably have them leaning up, but I might adjust those. The picture of how they did it is not too clear. See how this is drifting that way? Maybe if we put a lime there. Ew. It's falling. Should I add 3? I don't know, but it is quickly sinking. Maybe I should go cure them real quick. Probably could have suspended some of these too. That might have been fun. Here's the final product. Not exciting, in my opinion. And I'm not sure what's up with all the bubbles. There's a couple little ones on the top there too, but they weren't there when I poured them, so that's kind of weird. They kind of remind me of margaritas. But yeah, just not exciting. I'm not excited about too much on this checklist, if I'm being honest. I think the most exciting thing is perhaps the salad and the ribs. Well, and I already did these 2. That was really cool, the bento box. Sushi, terrible. Terrible to roll. That was awful. but I'm still gonna try to collect them all. So if there's one in particular you wanna see, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. Make sure to follow me on Facebook because I leak all the upcoming sets and pictures and all the fun Miniverse news that I find online. So that is what I have for you today. Thank you for watching, and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about these. Bye guys.